Hey guys, my name is and welcome back to another video. So today we are playing some bee swarm simulator.
Let's work out.
Nope, Ethan is here because, yay, we got forgotten at school.
And you're at my house.
And now I'm at Ethan's
so
house.
you're actually with me.
Pause the,
I can't until it starts.
hey, copyright! Wow, pause, oh. Okay, so basically we were watching Total Drama Action and it just started randomly like, yes queen. But today, it is actually my birthday. I'm going to upload a video before this, but this is what I just want to do quickly. So yeah.
Why would you want to join like Bloxburg to get your streak?
So I'm going to be finishing off my science beer quest today, finally. I just got a boost for Sunflower Field, which is nice.
I never do.
Okay.
What did you donate?
I donated, oh, it wasn't from the donation.
Oh, yeah.
From the donation, I donated 8 ant passes, and I got stingers, microconverters, and enzymes. Yeah. Okay, so nearly done with this. I'm actually with Ethan. Hello, Ethan. I haven't seen you in millions of years.
You saw me yesterday.
I know, but I haven't played with you on Roblox. I mean, like, you know. Together, we're together again. Oh, I just want to finish this quest.
The guest house so far.
Okay, I guess I'm not going to be joining though.
They've got this nice little feet to go through in
Okay.
garden.
Yep.
And
Ethan's just playing Welcome to Bloxburg.
You go in here.
Yes.
And
Oh, okay.
I've actually made a bed.
Looks
TV.
fancier than your house. I'd rather stay in that house.
And then there's a mini kitchen. You can make not fancy snacks, and you can sit down on this bay window right here and eat. But I haven't finished it off yet.
Okay, cool. Why are you so far away from me? You're not sitting next to me.
Because I don't have to.
Sad. It's my birthday.
My.
I'm 14 years old now, guys. I am 14. I'm a boomer.
Yeah. And when I turn 14, I won't be a boomer anymore. But as soon as Thomas turns 15, it's boomer.
Yeah, apparently.
It goes from boomer to not boomer to boomer.
Yes, Ethan's joining. What are you going to be trying to finish off? What are you going to be trying to finish off? Ethan, be serious. What are you going to try and finish off?
You.
I'm going to actually move. Ow! Shush. Ow. My leg hurts from like a week ago because I was just like yeet on this frickin' thing. Ethan tripped over and he was fine, and then I tripped over and now I frickin' hurt my legs.
Don't get this close. Go back.
No, I'm sitting here.
I'll tell my mum on you.
Okay, this video's been weird so far, and there's only been like 3 minutes, and it's already gone weird.
I don't want to be in your video. Oh my god! I just jumped under here and somehow landed on the top of the green thing, and I just jumped under here.
Yes, queen.
Like, how's it even
you
possible?
gave me... Oh, wait, no, I gave myself gifts.
You're stuck and jump under something. You can somehow get on top of something.
Yes, queen.
Gummy Bee wants a gumdrop because he loves wasting them.
Oh.
I'm going to finish my Riley Beetle.
Riley Beetle?
That's my new nickname.
Okay. Oh, this is taking so long, but I am willing to do it because I've got a boost for it. Since I've got a boost for it, I'm willing to do it.
You're going to get a little bit of gumdrops while I'm here.
Oh, thanks.
But then I'm going to spray up here because I need it for Riley, and I've had it in here for ages, and I do want to do a Riley for some reason. Because I need one more extra, and this will be more extra.
What's the actual big quest that you're nearly finished?
Spirit Bee.
Okay, mine's science beer, because look at how much I need to do.
That's too much. I'm joking.
It's close.
Okay, let's use the glue now because it's what I'm doing science
beer. 2 to 3 days ago, remember how low down it was on Sunflower? It was like there, Ethan.
Mine's not even up to there.
Isn't it?
I don't think so.
Let's see.
No, just a moment. I'm trying to collect blue from this field. No, not blue.
You collect blue from the rose field.
No, it's blue.
Oh, glue.
Want to know how much I've done from it?
Yeah, okay.
19 million.
Yeah, it's so close to being done, but also so far away from being done. I wish I had more boosters for this field. Is there a new code that's like, sunflower time?
Imagine it expired 1 minute ago.
No, imagine it's still on, but I don't need it. My baby be laughed at me.
Imagine you've got times 3, it times 3. Oh, Riley be cleanup's done.
How are you cleaning it up? You're placing the goo down and then you're cleaning it up. It was already clean, but then you're like, dirty, clean.
Don't judge my leader.
Don't judge your leader? Okay. No, my poly container's full.
Oh, $9 million.
My Hannah Montana is
I
full.
got $9 million in one word extract.
Oh, I can collect a black bear quest? I guess so, okay. What quest did you get now?
Red pollen.
Easy.
You do 100. 40 million.
Wait, did Puppy Beat just advance to level 10? Nice. I didn't even give it treats.
No, I don't even get a treat on my... I know, but you just sound like so excited, like it's your first one.
I know, but it's good. I'll eventually be able to frickin' kill the tunnel bear. Tunnel bear? No. Coconut crab.
Okay.
Coconut crabs is taking millions of years, and it doesn't even save. Okay, black bear, hello.
Wait, do I even need that pollen? No, I don't. Why was I going to try
Oh,
that?
come on, just collected the quest. Nice job.
Don't you love it when
Wait.
you try to do pollen, you know what I mean?
I should have read that because I'm not on repeatables, I'm on actuals. And I just somehow completed it. Pollen Fetcher 6. I got a star jelly. I didn't read it. Yes, Queen. I was thinking it was a repeatable. I never thought I'd say this, but Honey's gotten a bit boring. Honey's gotten a bit boring? No, it hasn't.
That's why it's going to be like...
Don't get me wrong, it's still the love of my life, but it needs a little kick, a little pizzazz. Let's spice things up. The pepper patch is the ultimate sauce for smoking hot honey. Whip me up a scorching blend to rekindle my love of honey. 120 million from pepper patch, 50 million from spider, and 20 million from dandelion. Okay. Capsicum collector.
Oh, I thought I needed red extracts, but I don't need them.
Yay.
I need blue extracts. Yes.
Hi.
I need sunflower pollen.
Oh, I am a science bear while I'm doing a science bear quest. Fancy.
Why do I 3 times clover when I don't want it?
I've got so much tabby love. I'm about to be done with tabby love.
Dandelion. Mushroom.
Getting so many ones that you don't know. I need pineapple.
Cactus. Coconut. Clover.
Oh, come on, finish already.
Mushroom.
I feel like I'm going slower. I need boosts. I need speed boosts, everyone.
Pineapple. I'm not getting one I need.
How much pineapple do you have? You've even got coconut.
Yes. Don't you love it when it happens?
Yes, I do.
I'm gonna donate.
Oh, I know. I only need 18 million more.
I'm gonna donate what you donated, but half of it.
So instead of 8, you'll do 4?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, I had 9 out of 10. That's why I did 8.
Oh, I want to keep mine. So
I just kept 1.
Yes, I would like to keep the passes. And be like 4 bitches.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
What are you doing?
Please.
What? Some of my badges became to shiver.
I don't. I want.
Oh, you got boosts.
None of the
Lucky.
cards I want.
Cards.
I see clouds.
Oh.
Boost. Don't you love it when you get none of the boosts you want?
Yes, totally.
I could use a glitter. Wait, I've got none.
There is no glitter.
Because I just spent it all.
0.
Can you buy glitter? No.
You can craft it. Oh, I'm walking out of the field.
Like, I would craft it.
And then you can speed it up with tickets. Oh, I'm gonna have to use a freaking microconverter because I can't be bothered to leave. Yay! And then my Queen Scatter goes off a literally second after.
Yeah, it's good.
It's not good.
Cool.
It's totally good for me to use a microconverter and empty out 10 million. And then when I've only got like 1,000. Okay guys, I'm back. The recording was like, believe me when I tell you I'm gonna leave. Okay.
Don't you love it when you don't get any glitters?
Did you actually not get any glitters?
No, there wasn't even one in the memory map.
Yay. No, I'm not doing capsicum collector. What the hell? Why would I be doing that right now? Like, yes, I'm just gonna do some capsicum collector.
I want to collect pollen.
I
I've
want
got a
to.
boost for every field that I don't want.
Go to coconut. Wait, why would you go to coconut? Go
But
to
I
coconut.
need it.
Go to coconut, Ethan. You really need to go to coconuts. Oh, you're gonna get that one? Nice. Star jelly. Magic man. Magic man and magic man. Tickets. Royal jelly. Red extract. Royal jelly that you could have gone. There are no glitters in that either.
Maybe the baby one.
It's like the lowest chance ever to get one. It's taking so long to collect pollen here now.
Don't you love it when the only thing you need is pollen? You're not going smooth at all. How smooth you going?
And I don't want to just be like, use a glitter, because I need glitter and... Am I going to use a glitter for that much?
Yes.
Oh, wait, I don't even have fucking... I didn't put down my sprinklers, because I left the game and I didn't remember. Shoot.
I've done everything except them. I've already done royal jelly double ups. Yes, I only got royal jellies.
Okay, this is going better, because I actually have pollen to collect now.
Okay, I'm gonna come collect with you.
Are you coming to my field?
Yeah. Because I need to get the badge for it, and then I'll leave to go to Pumpkin.
Why couldn't you go to Pumpkin first?
No.
I'll stay on your side as soon as you come over to my side.
No, I'm hoping I'm sprinkles right. Here.
Okay.
I want one right here. I want one right in the middle. Right here. Cannot place that close here.
If you can't place it that close, just jump in place.
I've got like the best boosts for this field.
Really? Can you give some of it to me?
I was being sarcastic.
Okay.
You know the boosts I have. None.
Yeah.
Oh, that reminds me, I can do another glue.
Oh, mine went off.
Well, I mean, I thought both bars went off, but it was
Same.
yours.
I thought yours went off as well, but it was just mine. It was like, go off twice for Thomas.
Oh, I've almost done all the glues, and then I don't know what I'm going to do next. Oh, I can do the red
Why do you
extract.
tap? Don't you just hold?
No,
Hold it's way easier.
I've got the coin scatter of life as well.
Oh, I need 5 million more. Wait, is that... Oh! Never mind.
Never mind.
I knew that your cub buddy was named Bud, but it looked like it said Butt. That's funny.
I want that just. I need that lunch.
I need more boosts.
Don't you love it?
I'm gonna pause the video for a bit. We're done this. Okay, guys, I'm nearly done this. Yes, queen.
And then you
Mono
need to
chicks here
do
as well.
Pineapple.
Yeah, pineapple.
Oh, I need pineapple.
No. You said pumpkin.
Yeah, but I'm not focusing on pineapple at the moment.
Good.
I'm gonna focus straight after it pumpkin. Because the only reason I want the master on sunflower is because I need sunflower. And I
Bucko
can eat the
Bee's
master.
done. I can hand in Bucko Bee. I don't know why. It's just finished just then.
Well, I need
You better believe me
pumpkin.
when I tell you that it's finished.
See, I need pumpkin for this. So that's a maze.
And
So I need to do the master as well.
complete sunflower, yes.
So I'm doing completing sunflower.
Yes, and then I can't even jump
and
up
I'm
there.
doing master, see.
Jump.
Imagine. Your house is now Trenton and his house, Ethan.
Yay. Blue cannon. I'm just gonna hand in my Bucko Bee quest so that I can get another one. And I can do that one while I'm doing the pineapple.
Should we start
Hopefully.
being ready?
Why?
Because your nana's going to be here and she'll be like, where are you?
All I need to do is put my shoes on. It's not like we have anything important to do.
Oh yes. Guess how much my pollen's gone up from this field?
How much?
It's gone up 8.
8 million or 8?
8 million. Almost 9 million.
As soon as I jump, you. Oh, perfect time to do gifts.
I know. You're like senior gifts and I'm junior.
Okay. Talk to gifted Bucko Bee. Beautiful work. You've earned yourself a blue extract. Oh, keep moving forward. 14 million. I am 14 and I did 14 million. Oh my god, I'm so special. Brave blue. It's time for another.
Because it's like my 9th quest, which is yes.
Well, that wasn't my 14th. That was my 19th.
Oh,
Abilities. What's this now?
I don't know.
Just the blue ability
I've got
tokens.
mine
Okay.
there. Oh,
Okay guys, so it's been a while since I have recorded this video. I've been recording other videos, and Ethan is here with me. Hello, Ethan. Oh, I know he just went to go get something. His tablet. So, yeah. I'm gonna finally finish off epistemological endeavor. Finally, come on, let's do this. Takes ages to just get this little bit. Get this little bit, little bit. Come on, Ethan. Ethan's coming soon, guys. Don't you worry. Come on, come on.
I can see you from halfway across the house.
Okay. I'm not even talking that loudly.
Well, on mine, you're like, hello, Ethan, are you there? Are you there?
I'm not even talking that loud, but okay. I'm just recording and doing the freaking last little bit of pineapple. What quest are you working on? Okay.
Because I'm not even in.
Yeah, but I'm meaning what quest are you going to try to work on, is what I'm meaning.
I'm trying to zip my 7 up.
Okay.
Oh my god.
What?
You hear the zip.
No. It's lagging definitely. It's really laggy. I did hear it though. I don't know why you need that in the video, but okay. Yeah, but not in the video. I wasn't like...
It's me to be.
I'm gonna try and see if I can get a pineapple boost. I'm gonna see if I can get a pineapple boost, Ethan.
Imagine this is like it gets 100 views in the first hour. Oh my god, look at this amazing one.
Please give me pineapple.
Please make it viral video. Did you upload the video?
No. The video that no one at this point knows? No.
The one in class.
Yeah. Okay, guys, I am so close to finishing this. Finally, after 1,000,000 years. Hello, Rhino Beetle. I am coming to kill you. Goodbye. So laggy, but so close. And I am done. Boom, talk to Science Bear. This is the last Science Bear quest, Ethan. And then I'll never talk to him again until another update with Science Bear.
Game is full. That's the game I'm playing.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yay.
No, I'm gonna play Bloxburg actually because I do want to play Bloxburg.
Okay. Talk to Science Bear. Finally! Fascinating. So there are at least 35 types of bees. Ah, and the truth behind truth itself, the key to a universal language. Wow, oh my god, a screenshot that. Yes, queen. Okay, so, yep, and yeah, blah, blah, blah. Talk more. By starting these, thinking, aha, there we go. Boom, boom, boom. A third translator! With this device, you may be able to communicate with new creatures. But keep in mind, once you give it to someone, the decision is permanent. Boom! There's my next translator. And whoa, that's actually a lot of honey. 20 tickets, 2-star, jellies, 4 glitters, 4 enzymes, 4 glues. Yes. That is so good. And it is finally time to talk. Finally time to talk to Riley B. Hello, Riley B. I want to come to you now. How close are you for your third translator, Ethan?
I'm on the last quest.
Okay. How much more?
I don't know.
Okay. Did you like just get it, or did you get it like a little bit ago, or is it like I've been here my whole life?
I have been here for like 2 weeks.
Okay. Hello.
I need to get rid of Finn. Damn it.
Finally, I can talk to Riley B.
I'm not really excited to talk to Cobalt.
It's not even Cobalt.
No,
Bucko.
that's the one. I mean, whatever it is.
Bucko. Buzz, 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 buzz. Give translator boom. Get this thing out of my face.
I need to get rid of these plants because I'll be making a new room in here.
Okay. Get this thing out of my face. ... Whoa, you understood me? I'm speaking with a beekeeper. That's radder than a rad bee. I'm Riley Bee, leader of the Red Bees, and this is the Red Headquarters. Here, the Red Bees and I coordinate, plan, train and strategize. We've discovered how to boost the red flower fields. We've developed highly advanced red guards. That's why we're the best. Red rocks. Blue just can't keep up. No, we can. You look like a promising red beekeeper, but to truly become a red master, you'll need some guidance. Complete my quest and I'll reward you with red extracts. Those can be used to boost your red pollen collection. Autocraft some state-of-the-art red equipment. Each time you perform a quest for me, they'll become more difficult. But every once in a while, you may just earn yourself some righteous rewards. Sound good? Okay, talk to me again when you're ready to start. Red rocks, alright. It's time for another red-related quest. Complete it and you'll be one step closer to becoming a red master. And you'll earn yourself a red extract. Red extracts, blah, 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 blah. Every 5th quest I'll give you a bonus, and every once in a while that bonus may be huge. I've loaded the next quest in your quest menu. Please be something good. Tango. 5 scorpions, 500 red ability tokens, and 2.5 million red pollen. Okay, that's actually decent. My Riley and Bucko are right next to each other. Nice. Finally, I haven't even done one of the quests, and I'm finally gonna do one now. Yeah, but you haven't done any for the Bucko bee though. Hi scorpions. You're gonna die tonight. Come on. Okay. So what are you doing in Bloxburg, Ethan?
Making a better bedroom, well, guest house
Okay.
for you.
I think I'm gonna just end this video here, Ethan.
Okay.
Because I've finally got it. I'm actually gonna empty my backpack first. I want to empty my backpack. I want to get that money. I mean, honey, I mean. Wait, I need to actually get... Sorry, I need to get my glows. And also check on...
Need to paint this wall.
And also check on the other thing, on the blender. See if I've blended enough. Ah, no. Jump up. Jump up. I think maybe he wants gumdrops. Wait! That's dumb of me. I was supposed to empty my backpack. Now I've got to either just leave the whole game. I'm going to leave the whole game, yeah. Okay, so, Ethan, I'm going to go and do the king beetle and the tunnel bear now.
Okay.
Because you know I want the king beetle and the tunnel bear drops now. I actually do need them for my quest. So, die, Felicia. Boom, what did I get? Blue extract, ant pass, swirl jellies, magic bean, gumdrops, bitter berries. Okay. Die, rhino beetle. Boom, bye. Oh, but Ethan, after I finish Beatom, I want to play Adopt Me since I haven't played the new monkey update or whatever yet. So I'm going to play that, Ethan.
Amazing.
Do you want to play it as well?
No, not really,
Okay.
Yeah, Adopt Me just got so boring. I want to play Adopt Me a day.
Yeah, because it's an update and it's new and I haven't played any of it yet. And please get some good tunnel bear drops. Tickets, oils, glitter, yes, I need glitter. And enzymes, yes, nice. Have you died yet? You still haven't died, hostage chick? Die, hostage chick, finally. Micro controller that I can't get, yay. So I'm going to end this video here. So if you guys enjoyed this video, then please be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the like button as hard as you can. And I'll see you guys in another video. Goodbye.